Thinking about buying a used Triumph Bonneville? Make sure you don't end up with expensive surprises. For any Triumph motorcycle, one of the most critical parts you must inspect thoroughly when buying used is the engine. In this 10-minute guide, we walk you through a step-by-step engine inspection on a used Triumph Bonneville, a process you can apply to any classic Triumph model or other bikes. Now, let's go! Besides checking paint and accident signs, focus on oil or coolant leaks at engine joints and bolts. Oil tends to leak where two surfaces are joined together or around bolt holes. To check the engine oil level, start the engine and let it run for about 5 minutes to allow the oil pump to circulate oil throughout the engine. Then turn off the engine and wait at least 3 minutes for the oil to return to the sump. The correct oil level should be between the maximum and minimum marks on the sight glass. For the coolant, it's the same. The correct level is when the coolant sits between the minimum and maximum marks indicated on the reservoir tank. If either the oil or coolant level is low, immediately check for leaks to ensure timely repairs. A good starter is one that can crank the engine quickly and decisively on the first attempt. During the starting process, make sure there are no loud or unusual noises. If the engine cranks for too long or fails to start, check the starter to make sure it's functioning properly. This is a very important check. We've seen many cases where the engine has multiple issues, leading to unstable idle speed. According to Triumph standards, Bonneville models have an idle speed that should be around the reference value of 1,000 RPM. Similar to Step 4, Step 5 is also extremely important in evaluating the condition of a used engine. After the engine reaches a stable operating temperature, we test the throttle assembly by revving up and down. Then observe whether the RPM changes smoothly, linearly, and responsively. Accurate RPM changes indicate that the throttle assembly is smooth and functioning properly, the ECM is controlling precisely, and the throttle twist sensor is in normal condition. This single check can reveal the status of many related components. Isn't that great? Please remember, you must ensure that there are no abnormal noises coming from the engine from the moment it is started until it is shut off. Any loud or unusual noise is a sign of potential engine damage, such as excessive thermal clearance, a misaligned time and chain, or a broken connecting rod. Therefore, pay close attention to any ticking, knocking, or grinding sounds. Also, check for sparks or any signs of external ignition leak. You can also remove the spark plug cap for inspection. If the spark plug seal is not tight, it can cause external ignition. This step is quite simple. Rev the engine a few times and observe the smoke coming from the exhaust. Check the color of the smoke. Blue or white smoke may indicate engine problems. After completing all the steps above, you should perform this final check, a road test. During the test ride, any faults or issues with the bike can often be detected. Remember to reset the fuel consumption reading to 0 to accurately monitor if the bike's fuel consumption is abnormally high. While riding, pay attention to the instrument panel to see if any warning lights appear. Also, check the throttle response carefully. Make sure to go through all gears from 1 to 6 at various speeds. Now it's time for us to review the 8 steps to check the engine of a Triumph Bonneville. I hope that after watching this video, whether you're an experienced rider or just starting to learn about motorcycles, you'll be able to perform these checks yourself. If you're not confident, please bring your bike to the nearest dealer so Triumph technicians can inspect it for you. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment. I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. It motivates us to keep making more videos.